The Volvo power-operated programmable tailgate is an excellent versatility feature that is available for both the Volvo XC60 and XC70. The first thing you'll note is you can manually operate the tailgate at any time. This doesn't damage the motor or the tailgate. Just lift the latch as the tailgate pops open, quickly push the latch again, and the tailgate is now on manual mode. So you can open the tailgate to the desired position. One of the key features of the tailgate is that you can program the top height. To do this, you start by lifting the latch as the tailgate pops open, quickly push the latch again and release it. This puts it into manual mode. Now, simply open the tailgate to the height you want and press and hold the closing button on the tailgate for 3 seconds. The height is set. Press the button again to close the tailgate. The next time you open the tailgate using your remote or the button on the dashboard, it will stop at the height you programmed. To restore the tailgate height to the factory setting, you can push the tailgate all the way up to the original factory position and press and hold the closing button on the tailgate for 3 seconds. This resets it to the default setting. One final note on the tailgate. When it closes automatically, you may notice some variation in the door's final position. On some vehicles, the tailgate closes and pulls in a bit farther, while on other vehicles, the tailgate simply closes all at once. This is a normal fluctuation. Every vehicle is adjusted properly as it comes off the line at the factory.